Hello traders, welcome to weekly expiry series where in this episodes we're going to talk and we're going to do analysis and we're going to find some logic where the bank nifty can expire in the next weekly expiry. Okay guys, and we're going to talk about bank nifty, and some of you guys can say why bank nifty. So bank nifty is what I felt is bank nifty is one of the indices where we can expect medium returns and medium risk. Okay, if we talk about the nifty is safer than bank nifty. It is not too volatile, but even the profits are very low. Okay, so that's why we're going to concentrate on bank nifty. And if we learn this volatility, if we understand this volatility, and we can also easily trade nifty. Okay, but some beginning so these are the first episodes, right? So for some episodes we are only going to do analysis on bank nifty. Okay, so if you see the chart, the bank nifty today gave a momentum around 700 to 750 points, which is showing a very good bullishness. So we're going to do some multi-analysis, maybe where they will give us multi-confirmation. So the first one will be technical analysis. So if we do technical analysis on bank nifty chart, it is obvious that it has given a very good breakout, and it has closed above 37,000, which is showing 37,000 as a very good support. And if we talk about the resistance, let's go for the lower time frames like 2 hour. And if we talk about the resistance, we have resistance at let's go for 4 hours. Not unable to see good resistance. In 4 hours we are getting some very good resistance around 36,900. and if we go for 1 hour, we have another resistance at 37,300. and if we mark this rejection, which is high of this red candle, it is at 37,700. Okay, and as you guys can see on the chart, the bank nifty gave a very good closing and it went up above this resistance, and it is near at this resistance, which is 37,700. So according to technical analysis, guys, if the bank nifty has to move up, it can consolidate here, and it can move up, or it can directly move up, or it can give some come for little correction, and it can make another high. So I'm predicting for healthy movement of the bank nifty. It is either it has to consolidate or it has to come for a correction. So sorry guys, let me clear this thing so that you guys can see properly. So if the bank nifty give a good correction, this resistance will act as support. So we can expect the bank nifty to come to this level, take support, and make another high. It is we can consider it as a healthy move. Okay, so even it is getting coming to this correction, which is around 37,300. We have 37,000 at here, so we can expect this as a very safe support. So this is our one analysis. And the next thing is open interest. If we go for the open interest, which you can get an access from NSE website. So if you guys can see here, we have a huge O high at open interest at 37,000 PE, which shows a good support. And if we talk about the resistance, we have huge open interest on 38,000, which shows resistance, and we are having very good support and resistance at around 1,000 points, and this shows the bank nifty can consolidate. And consolidating, guys, it's a signal of momentum. Okay, so we can expect the bank nifty consolidating between 1,000 points and give a very huge momentum later or the next week. So in this analysis too, we can it is obvious that 37,000 is a very good support. And let us again go for the chart. And the third analysis is going through all the stocks of the Nifty Bank. So I have gone through all the stocks in the Nifty Bank. So these stocks, if you talk about the EU Small Finance Bank, it has trying for a reversal from its support. So we can there's no problem in EU Small Finance Bank. We can expect this bank to reach till 1250. Okay, and if we talk about the Axis Bank, as you guys know, if you're following our Telegram channel, I have given Axis Bank as a bullish stock, where it has broken a flag and pull pattern, so it can continue its momentum too. Okay, and Bandhan Bank too. Even the Bandhan Bank, I've also given a short-term investment on it too. If you guys want, you guys can check out the video. I will leave the link in the description below. And if we talk about the Federal Bank, I'm not seeing any problem in Federal Bank too. And if we talk about the weightage of Federal Bank, it is also very less, around 1%. So we don't have to worry about Federal Bank. And the next thing is HDFC Bank. HDFC Bank, as you guys know, it is having the highest weightage in Nifty Bank, around 25%. And if you guys can see here on the weekly time frame, it has made a W pattern over here. It gave a breakout at its high, and it is trying and it is at its support. Okay, so we can expect the HDFC Bank a reversal here and become bullish. So we are not seeing any problem in HDFC Bank too. So the next stock will be ICICI Bank. So according to technical analysis, ICICI Bank is bullish, but if you see the overall momentum, the ICICI Bank has given very good momentum over the corona fall and its high. So we can, like, I don't have like when compared to other Nifty Bank stocks, ICICI Bank has performed very well. So expecting it to go more, it's like little riskier. So I'm not having any faith on ICICI Bank. So it's not like that the ICICI Bank won't go. It may go, but compared to other stocks, Nifty Bank stocks, I'm little not sure on ICICI Bank. Okay, so the next stock is IDFC First Bank. So IDFC First Bank has given this kind of momentum, which is very linear. So we can expect the bank to go sideways, and even the IDFC Bank has around 1% weightage in Nifty Bank. So we don't have to worry about this stock too. The next bank is Indus India Bank. Indus India Bank is very bullish, and it can go till 1300, and the next target for the Indus India Bank will be 1500. So I'm bullish in Indus India Bank. And the next bank is Kotak Mahindra Bank. The Kotak Mahindra Bank, have also given a short-term investment on this stock. You guys can check it out. I'll leave the link in the description below. So I'm bullish on this stock too. The Kotak Mahindra Bank has no problem. And the next stock is Punjab National Bank. Punjab National Bank, today it gave a very fresh breakout, and this breakout looks very strong, and it can go sideways and give continue its breakout, or it can continue the momentum. We have to see, but at present we are not seeing any problem in Punjab National Bank. And the next bank is RBI Bank. I have done analysis on these banks like in my private time too, so I'm just explaining my analysis on the stocks. So if you guys can see on weekly time frame, it has reacted from its support, and it is trying for it's going up. So we can expect this momentum to continue till 220. Okay, so sorry for that line, 220. And the next stock will be State Bank of India. So if you guys can see on the chart, the State Bank of India has given a very straight move. So I'm expecting the State Bank of India to consolidate here around 2 to 3 days and continue its momentum. So even State Bank of India, I'm not seeing any problem. So that will be our third confirmation, that the 37,000 level will be a good support. So what you guys can do is you guys can short 37,000 PE. Let me write it down here. 37,000 PE, and so some of you guys do hedge trading, so you guys can hedge short 37,000 PE and buy 36,900 PE. Let me write it down. PE. Okay, so I have put on all the data in Opstra, so it's showing around 78% of probability of success or winning this trade. You guys can see, if you hedge this position, your max profit will be 500 rupees and your max loss will be around 2000 rupees. Okay, so I have seen the Greeks, and the Greeks, what is that, the theta is around 20 to 25 points, and these the premium can can be reduced tomorrow, like while you taking the trade. But if the bank nifty comes if the bank nifty comes little lower, like I said, for a retracement, the premium of the put option will be increased, and you guys can get a better profit, RR. Okay, and that will be our fourth confirmation. So what I'm telling is, till next expiry, we can expect the bank nifty to trade above 37,000. So you guys can short 37,000 PE, and if you're a hedge trader, you can short 37,000 PE and buy 36,900 PE. Okay, that's all for today, guys. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you guys for watching.